What is going on, guys? It is Joe, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. It is currently Sunday, actually Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, especially the single ones. Today we have a very important day, full day of eating. We're going to film a push workout, and because it's Mother's Day, I feel like including a little bit of a dessert on here is a special occasion. So on special occasions, we usually like to stuff our face with excess calories. However, we cannot do that because we are on prep for a show. So you guys a little bit of a healthier version of a dessert, which is my personal favorite dessert, and that is cheesecake. Sit back, relax, and enjoy another episode of this entire series. So I'm also going to give a little update of the entire room that we have going on here that I'm converting to my YouTube studio. Last time you saw a disgusting bed here, a disgusting bed there. Everything was a mess. It's still a mess. However, we had a bed converted to a small bed. Then we got a bigger bed because my parents got a new bed. So I was like, it, I'll take the big bed. So we have a big bed in here now. This is the biggest bed I've actually ever had in my entire life. We have a nice stand over there in that corner. We have some of the old sheets. This right here is what I used to sit on to edit all my videos and my stuff. I mean, look at this. It's just wood. I was sitting on wood. That is something I definitely have never done in my entire life before. And then we got that bad boy right there now. So made a little bit of a chair upgrade, chair gains, baby. We're gonna clear this entire desk off. We're gonna be able to get a ring light, set the camera up here, put things in my mouth there. I would love to put a mini fridge there, put some LED strip lights there. We are just making upgrades all over the place, making the quality of the content just better than last time. But yeah, just a little of a YouTube studio room update, and I will see you guys in the first meal. Alrighty, we are keeping it classy, San Diego's, of course, appreciation for the height and the girth of this bad boy. 5 slices of French toast with 1 serving of blueberries in here. I did want to top this off with some Greek yogurt and some PB Fit, but we are saving some calories for later in the day just because we had that special dessert coming our way. Damn, that was some M&M shit right there. But nonetheless, let's give this a taste test. Still a fantastic breakfast. Oh yeah. You can never go wrong with French toast. I normally would have my cup of coffee, but I already finished 2 cups before I even got to this bad boy here. So we're taking a little bit of a chill pill with that because we do have some pre-workout we need to take later. So that's gonna be some extra caffeine. So overall macros the entire day, 670 calories for the entire thing, 61 protein, 90 carb, 5 fat, 9 fiber. Gonna go ahead and eat this, and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. I normally don't dry scoop pre-workout. I actually like drinking a lot of it, but I forgot a shaker cup, and I brought the tub container with me, but I don't have a shaker cup, man. Okay, so next meal of the entire day, what we got going on here, a little bit of a pre-workout snack. So this right here is an oatmeal Pop-Tart. I'm gonna leave the full recipe in the description down below. I don't even know how to really explain this. I saw this on an Instagram page called Flexible Lifestyle. He has a lot of great recipes on there, a lot of great cookbooks as well. So a lot of the stuff that he posts, I'll actually use that as inspiration to make my own version of it. He topped this off with some type of cookie crumble on top. I didn't want to do that because it's to save calories for the overall day, but I do like this as a pre-workout snack because it has oatmeal, has some carbohydrates, some protein powder, has like the mixture in there as well. This is a good overall pre-workout snack. So this is it right here, a little bit of a peanut butter chocolate oatmeal Pop-Tart. It tastes amazing. Overall macros for this entire little dish right here is 420 calories. Overall calories for the entire day is 1,090. 104 grams of protein, 138 carb, 18 fiber, and 12 fat for the entire day. So we are just having some great nutrition today, and we're eating oatmeal Pop-Tarts and French toast. Come on now. Yeah, I'm gonna go and eat this, and I will see you all for this push workout. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the post-workout meal. What we have going on here is one large skillet or skillate, that is Spanish for skillet. We have in here 4.5 ounces of chicken. We have 100 calories worth of mushrooms. We also have here 103 grams of onions, 1 tablespoon of light butter, and then 300 grams of cauliflower rice in here as well. This entire thing is 382 calories, even with the light butter. This is it right here, the country crock light butter. And I also threw on 1 serving of fat-free cheese. So the actual caloric intake on this bad boy is 427 calories for the entire thing, bringing our overall caloric intake to 1,517 calories. Overall macros for the entire day: 163 grams of protein, 176 grams of carbs, 32 fiber, and only 20 fat. On the oven, 1 baked potato coming out. I'll show you how to make a very low calorie, high protein, loaded baked potato as well, and that comes out of the air fryer. But for now, let's give this a little bit of a taste test. This is part 1 to our post-workout meal. Oh man. There's just no better vegetable to saute than an onion and mushroom combination. If you don't like any of those 2 veggies, I feel very sorry for you, because they're absolutely delicious. This is what it's all about right here: low calorie, high protein meals. Also, a little bit of a pro tip: one thing I actually season this with is this popcorn butter seasoning as well. So that is a good thing to add to your veggies, to add a little just more flavor to it. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this and I'll show you guys the baked potato when it's ready. Okay, so part 2 of this meal is 121 grams of a baked potato with 50 grams of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. This by itself, if you put it on a baked potato, acts as a sour cream and tastes pretty damn close to it. I mean, I close my eyes and I serve this to you, pretty much can't tell the difference. Bringing our total caloric intake to 1636 overall macros for the entire day: 171 grams of protein, 199 grams of carbs, 33 grams of fiber, and then 20 grams of fat. Also, to add more flavor, I spread it with I can't believe it's not butter, or you can use a light butter for 35 calories per serving, which is the country crock that I use. And then for a little bit more razzle dazzle, I spanked it with a little bit of, again, popcorn seasoning. This is the ranch flavor. So let's give this a little bit of a taste test. Again, you can customize this however you want to. If you want to put some fat-free cheese, go ahead. Turkey bacon, go ahead. Just making the simple swaps to help lower the overall caloric intake of a loaded baked potato, still making it taste good. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a taste test here. That tastes absolutely amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'm gonna clean the kitchen up, and then I will get into the cheesecake recipe right after this. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the kitchen. In front of me here, I have all the ingredients for this Reese's Poofs cheesecake. As far as the actual ingredients and exact measurements go, I will leave those down in the description. As far as the overall directions go, we're gonna have to watch this video and see exactly how it's done. Now, if you love cheesecake, then you'll love this. If you love Reese's peanut butter poofs, then you'll love this. If you're allergic to peanuts or peanut butter, I feel sorry for you. Okay, so first things first, you want to take 2 servings of your Reese's Poofs cereal and put it in the blender, and then I'm going to blend that up. At the same time, I'm going to be melting down 60 grams of this light butter and then adding it into the blender as well, stirring that all up, and that is going to be the base of this overall cheesecake. So I'm going to do that real quickly. I'll be right back. Okay, so once your butter and your Reese's Poofs is blended, you should get something like this. Kind of clumpy, kind of sandy. This is going to be the overall base for the entire cheesecake. And then after that, get a cake sheet pan, spray it with pan spray, and just lay that down. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so as you can see, we just put the rest of the ingredients as our filling right into this bad boy. Super easy, super simple. If you have this, if not, prepare to get an arm pump when mixing all those ingredients together. Again, every single ingredient and measurement will be in the description down below. And then after this is all done, I'll go ahead and read you all the macros. Okay, and then lastly will be to add your actual Reese's Poofs candy and put it on the actual cheesecake. And it should look something like this right here. You can either refrigerate this or put this in the freezer. I'm gonna put this in the freezer to solidify it just a little bit faster. While this is chilling, I'm gonna go ahead and do cardio. At some point in the day, I will eat this, maybe my last meal of the entire day. The overall calories, by the way, for the entire thing is 1,239 calories. Our overall macros in this bad boy is 90 grams of protein, 129 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fiber, and then 43 grams of fat. A lot better than a typical cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. One slice of a cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory is the total caloric equivalency to this entire thing. If I save literally 500 to 600 calories at the end of the night, I can have half of this entire thing. I don't even plan on having that much. I might have a fourth of it. Split into fours, each piece coming to a little over 300 calories. Try this out. You're welcome. Okay, so we're not done putting things in our mouth. We have here one bowl of popcorn. This is going to be my pre-workout snackarooski, bringing our total caloric intake to 1876. Overall macros, 179 grams of protein, 251 grams of carbs, 41 grams of fiber, and then 24 grams of fat. I'm going to go ahead and eat this. Wait relatively around 25 minutes to half an hour. Basically when I'm done cleaning this kitchen, because I have been just cooking and making a mess. I'm going to eat this, bang out some cardio, come back in, continue to put things in my mouth, and then I will end the night with some of that cheesecake. Also have here a orange vanilla Coke Zero. It's good. I love orange vanilla. It's just not as good as a Pepsi Mango. I need to get my hands on Diet Mango Coke. I see Greg Doucette drink some. I've seen Will Tennyson drink some. I think they're just available in the UK and Canada. I am not about to ship over Diet Mango Coke from the UK and pay like $50 for a 12 pack. That. I'm gonna eat this and I will see you guys as the day rolls on. Alrighty, and we're back here with dinner. We have 2 salmon lox wraps right here, 130 grams of cucumber, 2 Mission carb balanced tortillas, relatively 4 ounces of the salmon lox, 4 grams of tomato, 30 grams of spinach between the 2 of these, mustard and sriracha on both of these wraps right here. Total calories for the entire wraps are 408 calories. Overall calories for the entire day are 2,284 calories. Overall macros, 218 grams of protein, 301 grams of carbs, 74 grams of fiber, 42 grams of fat. I'm having some Diet Coke with this, the orange vanilla flavor. Limiting myself to relatively 2 of those mango Pepsis per day. I just want to make them last a little bit longer.
Can't stay on top of you 24/7.
That's what she said. Let's go ahead and give this wrap a little bit of a taste test right here. If you like sushi, you like sashimi, use those salmon lox, throw them in your wraps, throw them on your rice cakes. Absolutely delicious. This is gonna be my last meal of the entire day, but we still have dessert. You can guess what it is? That's right, some cheesecake. So I'm gonna eat this and I will see you guys when we eat the cheesecake. Alrighty, here is the final product of this cheesecake right here. It is frozen hard as a rock. I'm gonna cut it up into 4s and then we'll have a little bit of a taste test. Alrighty, so here it is. This is the piece of cheesecake. I did put it in the microwave for around 15 seconds just to get it a little bit softer before I give this a taste test. Overall calories for this piece right here, 310 calories. Overall calories for the entire day, 2,594. Overall macros for the entire day, 240 grams of protein, 333 grams of carbs, 76 grams of fiber, and then 53 grams of fat. Pretty darn good day of eating, if I do say so myself. Let's go ahead and give this cheesecake a little bit of a taste test. It's still a bit frozen, but look at that. It holds up very, very nicely. The crust is good, and then a piece of chocolate just fell off. But that's just a topping that fell off. Not the actual cheesecake, but here we go. Oh yeah. There is not too many people that are eating cheesecake while on prep. I mean, this is just absolutely ridiculous. She knows. She knows. So don't know if I read any comments from the last one and shout some people out, but Jared Bierman says, "Stay strong, bro. You inspire me to be able to continue working, training, and going to school. Seeing others being able to balance it motivates me so much. Thank you so much. Hang in there, man. Continue grinding." Yushi, I like seeing how you work around a busy schedule. Keep it going, dude. Thank you so much. Aaron, Aaron Loki, I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Hang in there, man. Another informative and entertaining video as always. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, the hardest thing about this overall prep is not the prep itself, not dieting. Dieting is challenging, but it's just hard balancing school, work, prep, family life, friend life, social life, all those things, and it's tough to try and balance all of them. And right now, especially while dieting for a show, it is a little bit of a grind. Your guys' comments means a lot. It's super motivating to see people leave their feedback on there, and it's just amazing to see. If you want me to shout you out in the next video, comment something down below. I read through them. I try and reply to every single one of those comments. Like any of the food, or if you watch my videos while doing cardio, whatever the case is, and you screenshot it and you tag me on Instagram at Joseph_Garcia17, I will make sure to repost it, reply to you. I try and be as active as possible. But that is going to be the video for today, guys. Recipe for the cheesecake is in the description down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. We are chasing 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Another episode down. We're just getting closer and closer to that show. Like if you guys enjoyed, subscribe if you guys are new. It's been your boy Joe. Peace.